to believe that love is blind, but I'm here and I'm seeing you clearly.